In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll be comfortable joining a workspace, sending messages, organizing channels, starting quick calls, and keeping notifications under control. Start at slack.com. Create an account with your email and verify it from your inbox. Verification links expire, so open it promptly and check your spam folder if you don't see it. Once you're in, you can join an existing workspace if you've been invited or create a new one. If you're setting one up, give it a clear name and add a short description so teammates know what it's for. If you're joining, just accept the invite and you'll land on the home view. For the best experience, download the desktop and mobile apps. The apps keep you signed in, support fast notifications, and enable features like quick calls and system level sharing. Sign in on each device so your conversations and settings stay in sync. Inside Slack, channels keep work organized. Click the plus sign next to channels to create one. Choose public for open collaboration across your team or private for sensitive projects. Give channels descriptive names and add a topic so people understand the purpose at a glance. You can invite teammates right away or let them join as needed. For one-to-one or small private conversations, use direct messages. Search for a person's name or start a small group DM for quick coordination that doesn't need a full channel. To send a message, type in the message bar. Use @mentions to notify specific people or @channel for important updates that everyone should see. Add emojis to set the tone, react to messages to acknowledge quickly, and attach files or screenshots by dragging and dropping or using the paperclip icon. Keep long discussions tidy by replying in threads when a topic needs back and forth. When a chat isn't enough, start a huddle for quick audio or video. Click the huddle icon in a channel or DM to jump in and use screen sharing to walk through work together. Headphones help reduce echo and keep things crisp. The search bar at the top is your shortcut to everything. Type keywords to find messages, files, people, or channels across your workspace. You can refine results by person or channel to get to the right item faster. Finally, click your profile picture to set your status, manage notifications, and adjust preferences. Update your status to show availability, customize notification schedules, and fine-tune alerts per channel. From here, you can also invite teammates and connect integrations like calendars or file storage to bring work into Slack. That's the core you need to communicate clearly and stay organized in Slack.